Okay, so what I'm going to do next is apply my wax stick, and this one is actually by Couturier. So I'm going to apply it on all the sections where I'm going to use the hot comb. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the hot comb. I'm not sure if it's ready to use yet because I just turned it on, but it is a hot comb by Hot Tools. It's not exactly my favorite. It doesn't get as hot as I would like for it to get. However, it gets the job done, I guess. So I'm going to take the hot comb, and I like to comb the hair away from my closure and away from my face. I do have a Marcel's hot comb that I use occasionally, but this one is just so much more convenient to use. I know that there's a great debate about which comb is better. I do feel like the stove iron is better, but if you do not have access to one, or if you simply do not know how to use one, the plug-in hot comb should do just fine. I'm going to go ahead and take this comb through the length of the hair because we are going to be layering this hair as well as curling it. And though I don't want to completely straighten the hair because I want to have some sort of body to the hair, you still want to have the hair somewhat straightened. So that's what you see me doing now. I'm just taking the comb and combing it through the length of the hair. Okay, so now we are done with this comb for now. Okay, so now we are done with this comb for now. What we're going to do is take the hair and section it off. So we have this back section, which is not going to be touched. I'm just going to clip it on both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to just take the hot comb one more time. So what we're going to do is we're going to comb through the hair, and then first off, we're going to start our face framing layers. So you're going to take the hair, and I like to start mine like right below my shoulder. So I'm going to take this hair and turn to the side so you can see, and I'll be cutting at an angle. So we're going to cut like this. And this is how much hair I cut off in total. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Comb through the hair. Take the hot comb if necessary and comb through it one last time. And then see your starting point and angle. All the way down. This is how much I cut off of this side. So you can see that layers are already starting to form. If you pull the hair from the bottom, you can see that. And now what I like to do is take the upper portion and I like to twist it, and then I'll start at the bottom and do the same thing. This is how much I took. I'll do the same thing on this upper portion. Take it, twist it, and then start at an angle towards the bottom. All right. Now that I've pretty much gotten the layers that I want, I'm going to take the clips off of the bottom portion, comb it all the way through just to see what we're looking like layer wise. And this is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. And then what I like to do is just take the whole thing and just layer it the rest of the way, so that the bottom doesn't seem like it's just so much longer than the rest. Just layer it the rest of the way. This one's a little bit more to come off. But yeah, this is how I get my layers. Super easy. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin curling it, but just a second, I have to change the battery out because the battery is dying, and I'll be right back.